Guys, if you do end up in the water here, there's flat water to the right that I want you to swim to, or swim to the raft.
Okay.
First option should be the raft.
Okay.
The reason you need to get to the raft towards that flat water on the right, technically the next raft is a class 4. Let's go forward, please.
Forward.
All forward.
All forward.
Keep it going. Get a rhythm, get a rhythm.
Try and get a rhythm, Shannon.
Keep going.
Keep going. Paddle.
Take a break.
Take a break.
And forward 3.
1, 2, 3.
Take a break.
Take a break.
You gotta look downstream there. You see the railroad trestle crossing the river.
Yep.
The rapid just above the railroad trestle is called Upper Railroad. Therefore, the rapid below it is called
Lower.
Saskatchewan.